Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your history on KuCoin. KuCoin allows you to review all account activity, including trades, deposits, withdrawals, and order history. First of all, launch open the KuCoin app on your device and log in. Once you're inside the homepage of KuCoin, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From your profile section, scroll down and look for the history option and tap on it. You'll then be able to see your deposit, withdraw, transfer history on the next page. All of your completed buy, sell orders, funds you deposited into KuCoin, and funds you withdrew from KuCoin will be displayed. And there you have it. This is where you check your history on KuCoin, including trades, deposits, and withdrawals. Regularly reviewing your account history helps you stay organized, track performance, and verify all transactions. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.